YouTube channel. Today we're going to be focusing on shooting sledgehammers accurately. There are 3 points to doing this. First of all, you have to control how you hit the ball. You do not want to hit it on the left side or on the right side, but of course right in the center so that it goes straight to exactly where you want it. The next part is that you actually have to aim the ball so it's not going to go to, if you want to aim far post, not close post, if you want to aim close post, not far post. Of course that would really help you. The third point is that you have to be able to recognize, of course, where everybody is in the moment so that you are able to shoot it well. So here is one example of a sledgehammer shot. Of course that had a little curve on it, but as you can see, it was aimed correctly going into the side net, and although it did have a little bit of curve, it was of course a sledgehammer. So, you also have to learn how to do sledgehammers really quickly because you can't just be poised and ready to shoot for like 5 whole seconds. So you have to be ready to juke somebody out and then quickly get into your posture so that you can shoot into the net, which of course is a skill to learn. So say you're on the run, you need to be able to do this. Take the scissors, go through, and shoot it in. Now sometimes sledgehammers need curves, because if you're too far out and you hit a sledgehammer, chances are if it's a low angle shot, it's going to hit the post, or of course go out of the field. So you have to be able to learn how to aim it with pinpoint accuracy while moving too. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope these sledgehammers help you in the future. Thank you.